Hi Yogis, thank you for joining me today. Today we're working with the Solar Plexus Chakra. This is called Manipura Chakra, and this is associated with the personal power, confidence, willpower, our motivation, and a sense of identity. So activating and balancing this chakra is important in many yoga, meditation, and energy healing traditions because it supports healthy mental and emotional functioning. And not only are we working with the solar plexus chakra here, but on the physical level, all these practices are very good for our digestive organs, our gut health, and overall hormonal imbalance. So, girlies, this one is for you, and let's just get into it. First, we're gonna start with warming up the spine, and we're doing a Sufi grind here. Eyes are closed, and when you come to the front, you breathe in. When you go to the back, you breathe out. Now let's go to all fours here, and we're doing a cat-cow. Again, a spine alignment exercise. And we're moving that energy through the spine from the tailbone to the top of the head on the crown chakra here. And choose the pace that is comfortable for you. You don't have to do as fast as I do, or you can maybe even intensify the pace if you want to. Deep breaths here. And now sit back on the hands for a moment, and now come to the front, and we're moving a couple of times to the front and back, front and back. And now we start with the body rotation. And when you come to the front, you breathe in. When you go back, you breathe out. We're warming up the spine. We're warming up the energetic body. And the energy is ready to move from the lower chakras to our higher chakras. And again, find the rhythm that is comfortable for you. Very good. Now rest on the legs. Put the forehead on the ground and stretch your arms back. And come to downward dog. Stretch here. Lift your one leg up and straight. Step outwards. Hands into prayer mudra. And we're lifting the left leg. Try to find your balance. Keep your eyes gazing downwards. Very good. And now switch the legs. Again, downward dog. Raise your right leg up and step it forward. Hands to prayer mudra. And lift your leg. Very good. Go back to downward dog and come to all fours here and go into child pose. And now go to your belly, lift your arms and your legs, and take your legs and lift them up with your hands. And hold it here. And if possible, do a breath of fire here. This is a very powerful activation for our solar plexus here. And now we're moving on to Salabasana. Put your hands to the ground and just lift your legs and hold this pose. Very good. Now going to stretch again. Sit on the legs for a moment. We are lifting our hips and our core, our bottom and the legs, and we're lifting our body, keeping our torso, our core and our legs muscles steady and activated here. Deep breaths here and hold that pose. Why this is important to work on our solar plexus is because it raises our confidence, our self-esteem, willpower and discipline. This is the Manipura Chakra that really gives you that strength and that burning desire to succeed in life. So this chakra, this solar plexus, is also very important for emotional regulation. Also, this is known as the energy and vitality center. So traditionally, this chakra corresponds to digestive fire, which is called Agni in yoga philosophy, and it is activating our physical energy, our digestion, and overall vitality. Very good. Now go into sit in the easy pose and open the legs and give yourself a stretch here and to the one side and move it to the other side. Very good. And into the center once more. And again repeat the same pattern here. Now legs into the butterfly and stretch yourself for a moment here. Now with straight legs, just fold your body forward and take your toes and hold them with your arms and allow energy to move from the feet to the spine to the head and to the arms, and again let that energy circle from the arms to the feet, making this beautiful energetic circle here. Very good. And now if you're ready, you can lie down for Shavasana. And with this Shavasana, we are also doing our beautiful affirmations here. Or if you feel more comfortable in easy pose, then you can stay here. I stand confidently in my personal power. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am strong, capable, and courageous. I honor myself and value who I am. I am worthy of success and happiness. Success is certain for me. My inner light shines brightly. I embrace my uniqueness and authenticity. I release doubt and welcome self-assurance. I choose calmness over chaos. I transform fear into courage and clarity. I respect myself. I honor myself. I love myself. I am a pure being. I am a pure soul. I am a giver. I am a giver of light. I am a giver of love. I am a giver of power. All is well. Thank you so much. Thank yourself for giving this nurturing and very much healing, beautiful practice to your body. I wish you have a beautiful day and lots of love. Thank you. Bye.